Imagine how much more fun it would be to experience the faraway places you've dreamed of with people you already love to spend time with. Perhaps a love of travel is something else you may have in common with the people you know from professional or community groups, social clubs, fraternal organizations, alumni associations, or other groups you may belong to. At Vantage, we make it easy and economical to gather these friends together for the trip of a lifetime. Where do you start to organize a group? Well, think of all the people you normally come into contact with, as well as those you've associated with in the past.
We do group travel for a bank that I work for. This is a customer club that we offer this as an advantage to being one of our members.
We live in a retirement community north of Austin, Texas, and so this is our primary source of customers or guests come out of that community.
It is just a group that we meet at our church, and we just spread the news about where we're going and what we're doing simply by word of mouth.
Aside from enjoying a wonderful trip, there are plenty of rewards for becoming a group leader with Vantage. If you gather 10 or more travelers, the 11th group member you travel with travels for free. You can earn exclusive cash earnings if you book more than 11 travelers, but not quite enough to earn a second free trip. In that case, we'll pay a percentage for your in-between guests. How about free trip extensions? Receive one free trip extension for every 10 group members that also book a pre- or post-trip extension. Once on your journey, your group of 20 or more will receive a free welcome cocktail party. If you gather 15 paying passengers, Vantage will reimburse you up to $600 for a group transfer to your home city airport. We've dedicated an entire department to make sure you and your travel friends enjoy the service that you deserve.
I think the biggest difference as a group leader that myself working with Vantage is you have that inside salesperson. They help you find the best what will suit our particular group.
Been delighted with the sales team. They made the process so easy for me, and they are able to link up the trips to our website, which makes it great for our customers to see what the trips offer.
I really like my interactions with Vantage because I ask a question, and if they don't know the answer, they get back with me right away, or they email me, and then I can just simply forward those answers to the group.
We can help you promote your trips to your friends, your family, an affinity group, maybe a church group or an alumni association, anyone that you want to travel with. We can help you by setting up your group's own personal webpage on our group leader portal. We will give you personalized flyers and brochures, and even contact your passengers for you to get them reserved.
It's wonderful. It's very easy. They make it easy. The communication is very good. The handouts that they give us are very good. And what we probably love the most and the easiest marketing tool for us is the videos that come over the internet that we can forward on to our clients and they can look at, and it sells the trip. It really does.
One of the most powerful tools you'll have access to is our group portal, an online resource where you can organize and keep track of everything related to your journey. You'll find step-by-step tools and links to create your own website or Facebook page for your group. And there are handy timelines that provide reminders for important dates and deadlines, and much more. Another important service we encourage all our travelers to take advantage of is our 100% travel protection plan. This covers your group members in case they need to cancel or experience health issues or unforeseen events that disrupt their trip.
As group leaders, you feel responsible for your group. But if we had an emergency, having the insurance, each one of us it takes the burden off us as having to make arrangements and worry about how they're going to pay for this or that. If they had the insurance, it's taken care of.
It's easier than you might think to be a Vantage group leader. All you need to do is gather your group together and reserve, and that's it. So all you need to do is sit back and enjoy the trip.
So we look forward to servicing you and servicing your group. We're all experienced here at Vantage, and we look forward to making your next Vantage trip a memorable journey.